Hey, it's Ed here. Today we're taking a look at technical analysis for SP500. I'll cover wave analysis with Elliott Wave Theory and provide multiple scenarios the price may take and explain why I prefer one count over another. Let's take a look at the different possibilities. Starting here on higher time frame and looking at this structure from here, from the lows of around the 18th of June. Since then, we have bullish and bearish counts in which both includes this same structure here. On the bullish side, we would be looking this as a 1, 2, 3, and then looking for this wave 4 and then 5 upwards. On the bearish side, we have already completed this ABC here. However, again, it is very extreme on the extensions, around almost to the 2 to 1 extension compared to this wave 1. So it is more likely in that sense that this is indeed a wave 3. Now, we did come really impulsively down here, and this definitely can't be impulse wave on its own, meaning that we can't have just an impulse wave on wave 4, because again, this is a correction that we are expecting here for the bull scenario. So in the bull scenario, we would be having this as a wave 1. Even if this would be complete, then this would be a wave A, and then this would be a wave B, and then C wave. At that point, again, we would be looking for some kind of extensions downwards quite a lot. We did not touch the 38.2 retracement of this whole move here as of yet. So if this was to be complete, then we would be still looking for a bit higher price. Now, to me, this structure is not finished as of yet. Let me show you this structure that I have here. I've labeled this as a 1, 2, another 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 into the third, and then this whole structure was going to be the wave 4. Now we did hit the 38.2 retracement here of that third wave, so that is very, very nice looking overall. At the moment, we have been extended quite a bit, just beyond the 1.618. I don't really like to see these expanded structures getting beyond the 1.618, but at the moment I don't have any other explanation than this one that I currently am showing you here. So overall, what we would have this is a WX and a wave Y. Originally, I was expecting this to be a 5-way structure. Of course, it still can be a 5-way structure, but at that point, we would need to start the count from here on these lows, as it is the lowest point, as we would be expecting a multi-way structure here, so either a diagonal or an impulse wave structure. However, I can't really get this structure to end here with any kind of good looking structures over here, so that's why I have it labeled as such in here. So after this ABC, we would be getting to that X, and then again another WXY into W, and then 3 ways back into X. This is definitely very impulsive looking alone as a structure, but I can't pair it up with anything else, so it has to be a 3-way structure. And then again A, B, and C. This definitely feels like some kind of a diagonal. There is no overlap, however, so I don't need to be putting up these trend lines around it to label it as a diagonal. Then a very impulsive structure here into that wave C up top. That would be completing the wave WXY here at the 1.236 extension, and the WXY here at the 1.618 extension, and then the wave 4 here at the 382 retracement. That would be very fine as is. Since then, we've had some kind of downfall in price, which I guess we could be saying that we have this as a 1-2 setup, and then we would be looking for downwards more. It is supported by RSI as well, that we would have these 1-2 setups. However, this RSI here is already higher than here, which is not very typical for that. So I feel like this structure at least has to be ending down here completely. So we would have this as a 1-2. This would be third, having that divergence here, fourth and fifth, and that would be completing this structure, and then we would be having one more low here, looking for that fourth and fifth, before any retracements upwards, to continue possibly that higher time frame structure that we would be looking for, meaning the fifth of this blue minuscule count. Again, this would fit the both ideas of either being a wave 3 or C. Overall, this would be just the A wave though, if we are looking at this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then we would be looking for B wave, and then at least one more low here, or one more 5-way structure to pair it up with this first one. At that point, again, having that to be set as a wave 4, we would be getting most likely around the 0.5 to me. We would be getting most likely beyond the previous wave 4, which is again this box here, and is making it less likely that is going to be actually a wave 4. So yeah, at the moment my current bias is that we have completed an extended wave C here, and we would be looking for downwards more. Whether it is with this ABC or whether this turns into a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we'll see about that later on. But I feel like that is pretty much everything I wanted to cover on S&P 500 today. If you made it this far into the video, I would appreciate the likes. Link to my free Discord server in the description below, and for now I thank you for watching and hope you have an amazing rest of your day. See you in the next video, bye bye.